Good morning, all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, June 2nd. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ESNQ. So, as we turn the calendar to June, the market in search of desperately needed market-generated information, right? We are in balance on the monthly, weekly, and daily in the S&P with an inside week on the daily. NQ is balanced on the monthly and the daily. It's still up on the weekly. And Righty also in balance with an inside week on all three of their indices. Again, we talk about chop that occurs inside of days ranges. Well, if you recall from Friday, we did have a 9-wide point of control, okay? And then you had the day's highs and low in ES, right? NQ only had a 7-wide point of control. So again, we talk about, I like to use these terms and stuff just to make it a little fun. And also, I think it sticks in your head more, where I tell you you're going to need a hard hat, safety goggles, and a vest. You're going to get chop inside of here, right? There's no advantage whatsoever this morning. We're opening in balance, in value. Right now, NQ is down just about 0.5%, ES only 0.3. So there's no advantage on our checklist sheet. That's number one. Number two, it's in balance overall. So not just inside of yesterday, but also encompassing everything else we are in monthly, weekly, and daily in the S&P. So patience is in order until the market starts painting and forming its picture today with today's MGI to give you an edge. Do we go for the overnight high or low? Do we take out A's high or low to one time frame up or down? The IB high or low? Those are the important things as the day evolves. Too many people are just so quick to start slamming on keys at 9:30. And again, that's not what we're here for. You're here to make money. Plain and simple. So right now, overnight high right above the 9-wide POC. We're a 13-wide overnight as of now. Again, there's 90 minutes to go. NQ is already 15-wide down here. So that would be carried forward if we don't get it at some point. Righty this morning. Also a wide overnight. They're 15 wide. Now, they spent some of the overnight below yesterday's, Friday's low. ES and NQ did not. Again, it's just one big balance. Okay? Market's going to finally come out of it at some point. The only thing today that's fairly important, I know Powell is speaking at 1 p.m. Eastern time. I don't know where, when, or what it's about, but just be aware of that. Again, game plan where we're trading, there really isn't much one. Depending on where the overnight high and low is. If you open near one of them, you can front run it. If you open away from them like we are now, then if you make a run for either the overnight high or the overnight low, you can take the trade to go get it. Right now, the overnight is what? 100% short. We're also 100% short on Friday and had zero inventory adjustment. Okay? So keep that in mind. And then chart-wise, I'll just show you the daily for now in the S&P. Initially, I was going to call it down, but after the way we rallied, I said I'm just going to call it balance. Now, again, you want to call it a 4-day balance. Remember, that gap is still holding. We have a daily gap and a weekly gap and daily gap below. So, do you want to call a 4-day balance? I have no problem with that. You want to make it this entire thing, which is probably the better thing to do, because the market's not going to have a significant move until you get either above this balance high or below this balance low with acceptance. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Don't forget, Traderify, the best prop firm out there. I have a code that's posted on my videos every morning and afternoon. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.